Today I got for you the unboxing and first look of the Bitfenix Alchemy Cables. Rip on open. This is the 8-pin power extender for your motherboard. Here's the connector. There's no heat shrink on either end. It's got a nice soft braid to it. Got the 6-pin PCI connector. The 8-pin PCI connector. And the 24-pin extension cable. Just gonna grab a 8-pin EPS. You just plug it into the back. You just plug it in and then you plug that side into your motherboard. And this is the 6-pin PCI. It's the same thing, this one will probably be a whole lot easier. Just pop it in, plug that end in. And for the 8-pin PCI, you just have to pop that side in, pop that extra pin in. That's why I had trouble, because I was plugging this is actually where'd it go? The first one I did was actually the PCI, that's why I didn't go in. That's the PCI one, and the one I plugged in was supposed to be the 8-pin on the motherboard. And then 24-pin is exactly the same.